Hello and welcome to this presentation. Ielts Nepal is a one-stop solution for our students for online Ielts classes, practice materials, and feedback on their work and progress whenever required. Hello friends, I'm R.P. Sharma. In today's video, I'm going to talk specifically about the use of the terms few, a few, little, and a little in English sentences. They are used to quantify countable and uncountable nouns, and it's important to be correct in their use when it comes to speaking and writing specifically. Shall we begin? So friends, if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do that so that you remain updated with every video we make for you. You can also write to us through ieltsmasternepal@gmail.com. You can join us through our Facebook page, or you can also call us using our WhatsApp and Viber numbers. Thank you very much. Let's continue. So let's talk about few and a few first. You can have sentences like those. I have few friends in Kathmandu. I have a few friends in Kathmandu. I will talk about their differences in a little while. Yes, few and a few are for countable nouns. First of all, it's important to remember. Problems, solutions, people, houses, trees, vehicles, students, men, women, etc. Or words like those which are countable can be quantified with few or a few. And talking about little and a little, you can have sentences like those. There is little hope about his success. There is a little hope about his success. There is a difference in the meaning of those two sentences though. And both of them are for uncountable nouns like money, water, information, advice, clarity, harm, freedom, happiness, work, etc. Now, coming to few and little. Now, few and little have negative connotation. Remember that they mean negative without looking like negative in the sentence. Few means not many, little means not much. I have few friends will mean I do not have many friends. There is little hope about his success will mean there is not much hope about his success. There are many words in English which have negative connotation, even if they don't look like negative at first glance. Have a look at those words in red, which have negative connotation. Old people rarely use technology, which means they don't normally use it. Barking dogs seldom bite means they don't usually bite. And success barely or hardly as a shortcut means success doesn't generally have a shortcut. Similar negative words can be created with the use of few and little. Old people do not normally use technology can become few old people use technology with exactly the same meaning. Barking dogs do not usually bite. There is little chance that barking dogs will bite. And success does not generally have a shortcut means success has few shortcuts. All right. Few for countable, little for uncountable. Otherwise, both have negative connotation. You can also use very few or very little for more emphasis in your sentences. Famous people have very little privacy means they have almost no privacy, and very few people succeed without hard work means they almost no one succeeds without hard work. All right. Talking about a few and a little now, both mean some and have positive connotation. I have a few friends means I have some friends. You're talking positively. There is a little hope about his success means you are hopeful. You have some hope. There is some hope about his success. Got it? Let's have a look at some more examples with a few and a little. A few old people use technology well. If you want to say something positive about them, this is what you can say, which means some of them use it well. A little freedom is good means some freedom is good. And a few people may succeed without hard work means there are some people who may succeed. Remember, the word some can replace both a few and a little. Although a few is used for countable and a little is used for uncountable nouns. Any confusion? A lot of confusion? Lots of confusion? Do you have any? Let's talk about these now. A lot of or lots of means the same and can be used as the antonym of both few and little. They are the opposite words, opposite terms of both few and little. They can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns without any discrimination whatsoever. For example, a lot of or lots of can come with any of those words, countable or uncountable. Trees, money, vehicles, time, people, water, etc. Let's have a look at some examples. I have a lots of time to spend. That's incorrect in use. That will become I have a lot of time because time is uncountable. And more importantly, you can use a structure like all lots. It's lots of time or a lot of time. Okay. There is lots of snow in winter. As I said, snow is uncountable, so it will be is a lot of snow. Or more importantly again, lots of snow. You can begin a sentence like lots of snow is there in winter. Yeah, that's correct. But is doesn't come with lots because lots itself is plural. Remember, you have to be careful about using lots of and a lot of. Start a sentence like a lot of or with lots of. You can write all lots of. Okay, or is lots. Not possible. Lots of snow, yeah, that's okay so far. But you can write lots of snow fall in winter because snow is uncountable and singular. So lots of snow falls. Now snow is followed by a singular verb. Remember the difference. Be a little bit careful there. There is lots of people. Now, as I said, is lots not possible. You have to write are lots if the following subject is plural. People is a plural word, so there are lots of people. You can begin like lots of people are in cities. Okay, that should give you a fair bit of idea about where to use the terms that we just discussed. So if you still have a little doubt, any little doubt about any of those terms that we discussed today in this video, write a few words or pick up your phone and tell me some words. I will have my answer for your confusion. All right, I will see you with something different and something new in my next video. Thank you very much for your time.